So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. You're going to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. And then click on Windows. We're now going to find a folder called Software Distribution. So we're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Here it is. Double click on this folder. And then once you're on this, we're going to delete everything in this folder. So you just want to highlight over everything here and then click on Delete. You want to click on Do this for current items and then continue. And if it says this action cannot be completed, then you want to click on Do this for current items again and then click on Skip. Now most things in this folder are going to be deleted. If anything remains, it's fine, but most things are going to be deleted. And then once you've done that, you now want to come back into Services. You want to find Windows Update again, double click on it. You now want to make the startup type automatic, click on OK, and then double click on Windows Update again, and then click on Start, which is now going to start the service, so we're going to make it running, and then click on OK, and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in Troubleshoot Settings, click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to click on Other Troubleshooters. If you're using Windows 10, it's going to be saying Additional Troubleshooters, you're going to click on that. I'm on Windows 11, I'm going to click on Other Troubleshooters. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Windows Update, click on Run. And now this will come up, you're going to click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. And then you just want to go through all these steps right here, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.